Hi my lovely friends. Today we're making two healthy and delicious dishes that are perfect if you're trying to eat clean and stay full. First, a colorful and protein-packed salad, and then a light and tasty zucchini frittata that's totally diet-friendly. If you're looking for healthy recipes that are actually satisfying, make sure to stick around till the end. Hit that like button and subscribe so you'll always be the first to catch my new videos. Let's get started. We're starting off with the potatoes. Go ahead and peel them, then dice them into small cubes, nothing too big. Once they're all chopped, drop them into a pot of boiling water and let them cook until they're soft and tender. This will be the base for our dish, so make sure they're fully cooked but not falling apart. Now let's move on to the veggies. Grab your bell peppers, tomatoes, onion, some fresh lettuce, and don't forget the olives and pickles. Chop everything into bite-sized pieces so they're easy to eat. The combo of crunchy pickles, juicy tomatoes, and that salty olive flavor really brings the salad to life. We're going for a colorful, fresh, and super tasty mix. We add in the cooked red kidney beans and sweet corn. They make the salad more filling and add a great balance of flavor, hearty and slightly sweet. And finally, we're adding some fresh parsley. It has its own unique aroma and health benefits. Just chop it finely and use it as a fresh garnish on top. It adds both beauty and a burst of flavor. Greek yogurt, peanut butter sauce, salt, lemon juice, and the dressing is ready. This salad is packed with nutrients, protein, and fiber. Now, let's move on to the zucchini cutlet. Peel 2 to 3 zucchinis, then grate them along with 1 onion. Make sure to grate them finely. Now, squeeze out the excess water as much as possible. The drier, the better. Next, crack in 2 eggs, add mashed garlic to taste, and mix in a spoonful of breadcrumbs or flour to help the mixture hold together. Season with salt, black pepper, and a bit of turmeric for extra flavor and color. Stir everything until the batter becomes thick and well combined. Let the mixture rest for about 30 minutes, then transfer it to the oven to bake. And that's it, to delicious, healthy meals, ready to enjoy. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. See you in the next video.